Hello, my name is Kelly Bluen. I am a certified Zentangle teacher, and I love creating kits for different months of the year. So this year I've decided to do a February kit, and it is called Share the Love. It has everything you need to create a cute little banner that you can hang up for the month of February. So I just wanted to show you what comes in the kit. So first you get this little welcome card with a QR code that will take you to my YouTube channel. The videos will start February 1st and last 14 days. Each day will be a different heart tangle. It's going to be so fun. Okay, then of course you get one of my little bird paintings. This is a print of the painting. It says Love 2025, and I think there's 9 different little birds this year. And they are all signed by me and have a number, and then I draw numbers throughout the month for various prizes. Okay, you also get a little wooden hug from me. So cute. All right, and then the supplies to make the banner. Let's dump this out and see. Okay, got beads and clips and twine and a Sharpie. We also have all of these little templates of letters and some big hearts. Okay, here's what we're going to do with these. I'm going to show you. We're going to take these and we're going to have 2 hearts that are on the ends. We're going to have L-O-V-E in the middle and then a heart on each end. And so when we draw our heart tangles, you can just draw them on here however you would like, or you can put a heart on here and we will draw around it. So to do that, you're going to need this little piece of transfer paper, and it goes like underneath here, and then we're going to trace it and it will leave a print on the heart. And that is where we will start drawing. And then we're going to do like pink, white, pink, white. We'll do a cute little pattern. So then your next one would be the letter L, and we will do a little transfer onto the heart. We'll have a beautiful L, and then we're going to do tangles all around it. So in the end, you're going to have 6 hearts. They will have beautiful heart tangles on all of them. I did a large Sharpie. I say large, but I mean, it's a fine tip because I wanted it to be really bold. If I'm hanging up a little banner in my kitchen or across a doorway, I don't really want to use like a little micron pen because the details will be hard to see. So we've got a nice thick pen. We'll do some little border things. It's just going to be so much fun. Then we have the twine and little beads. So we're going to put beads on the end, tie a little knot, and then the clips are to hold the hearts in place. So I am really excited about this. Last year I did an 8.5 by 11 like little poster, and we drew on that, which was really fun. But this year I'm excited to have some decor that I can keep up for the whole month and then bring out year after year. So that is the kit. It is $17 plus $5 shipping within the US. International shipping, of course, is a little bit more, but it should be a really, really fun month, and I'm excited to do this with you. And then coming up in March, we're going to do a bird kit, and in May will be a florals kit. So we got a couple fun things coming up. And then I think in July, I think it's July, I have an ocean kit coming out. So lots of fun kits coming up, and yeah, lots of fun tangling ahead. So if you would like to purchase this kit, I will link it below, but you can go to www.minsofzen, MINSOFZEN, minsofzen.com. Scroll down to kits, and you can purchase it there. So we'll see you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.